Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we are unlocking the most important Olympiad math problem, that is x cube minus x square equals 48. We will solve this step by step and you will remember this problem in exams. So, given is x cube minus x square equals 48. We will break down the 48 as, we can write this as x cube minus x square, and 48 can be write as 64 minus 16, because when we subtract from this we will get 48. Now we will write this as x cube minus x square equals 64 can be write as 4 cube and 16 can be write as 4 square. Now in the next step we will write this as x cube minus 4 cube, and here we have x square minus 4 square. Now we will write this as, here we apply the formula, that is a cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a square plus ab and plus b square. And other formula we will apply here is a square minus b square, that equals a minus b into a plus b. So according to this formula we will solve this question and get first of all x minus 4, then other pair is x square plus ab means 4x plus 4 square, that is 16, and here we have x minus 4 into x plus 4. Now we will solve this further as x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 16 and minus x minus 4 x plus 4, and that equals 0. Now we will make the common x minus 4 and remaining will be x square plus 4 of x plus 16, and minus will be minus x plus minus minus 4. Now we get two pairs. First of all x minus 4 equals 0, this is the first pair, and second one will be x square, 4x minus x is 3x, and 16 minus 4 is plus 12, this equals 0. Now we will find out the value of this one is x minus 4 equals 0, which implies that x equals 4. This is the first root. Now we will find the second root here. Here we apply the quadratic formula, that is x equal minus b plus minus b square 4ac divided by 2a. Now you can see here value of a is 1, b is 3 and c is 12. So this will be minus b means minus 3, then plus minus 3 square, that is 9, 4 into a is 1 and c is 12 by 2. So this will be 9 minus 48 will be 48 minus 9 will be 38. So we will get minus 3 plus minus square root minus 39 and divided by 2. Now minus will convert into iota complex root, so we get minus 3 plus minus 39 iota divided by 2. So these are the roots. So we will write the roots here. X equals 4 and x equals minus 3 plus minus 39 iota divided by 2. So These are the answers. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Math Olympiad problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.